finally, Wontumi lawyer Andy Appiah Kubi akasa. Now, what can be very important in the discussion? And you see, once I was listening to lawyer Andy Appiah Kubi, and no, me can't say as I'm a dream, so I'm Wontumi. I'll point something out to you. And you see, I pray I'm able to hold myself and not degenerate, because I couldn't. As an I am me interview and I'm like, Papa, we as a me to me as I was saying to me and in fact, for those who have not read the judgment, and I'm posting in the videos and I'm posting submission of no case. You see, I don't know why people are blaming the judge, because when you read Adena judge natural na, I'll prove it to you. But I'm a lawyer and the Appiah Kubi them now. Is he forgetting Obiaka? Make as a case, no, 95%. And some attach a written statement, keke. But there are a lot of things in the judgment. So what to be beyond politics. Even war cry, never your foot to one say. Onam na the police grad frewa o kasa bi wo ho so hwe and I thought that lawyer and the Appiah Kubi, well, I'll go into that. But just then I'm here free care fache me. And then among some Kumasi, you got 3 months of load shedding. I'm some replace here and you maybe to do me light. It's say me post na me video mama. And when I saw the video, and I wanted to do an education, and I think that when I read it for you, you get a bit of it. It's a 58-page document, and one message there 2 videos, 2 bits me should be. And you do the education, make kind 3 pages amount. And I think that those blaming the judge, I think maybe they need to take their time and read the judge. I have said it's an emotional thing. If you're MPP, you're likely to blame the judge and everything. I understand. I won't debate you on those things, but I want to debate on the substance of the law, and it's the law that you will discuss. Me boy around the Appiah Kubi den Maria. Make sure in the matter. Make sure so be subscribe me. Or subscribe and click bell notification. The video be to be you have a comment. Feel free leave that comment in the comment section. We are make sure so be Goldberry construction method and episodes no assassin crata. Some of the documentations related to your house in the Goodberry in the BD sage money na at the amount. Now we are flood victims, so I send a mechanic bit my conversion and be a kama or say judge and your judgment papa a political or best swerve in the blood say and sis that. Now answer I want to make you want to be KBBT a trend by inco first one and my ba, but when they want to be catch an amount. Yeah.
My Timo Mranya Juma said Timo you.
Lawyer Appiah Kubi. Lawyer Maya yetima mranye juma nka mretimi ne chema Wontumi edia mane yebuanefo.
I will bet my bottom dollar and my blood. So maybe me can say the judgment is wrong.
Whoa.
The judgment is only political and not legal. I'm saying this. I've been in consequences. I'll continue to say this. First, a judge, so-called, my judgment based on this evidence. Oh, this is not a place. And then may catch you say evidence. And some narrative now about things that I'm going to be able to.
Oh, sir, no problem. Lawyer me bow. Even on a pay me kasa krampono. Machemu say legitimately no or concession no or pass it through the legal means. And the name so where a judgment I bet you you can say no ye illegal mining. But rather no or the concession no
misinformed publicly and American ones.
Okay.
There are other radio stations, TV stations that misinformed public.
Oh, but lawyer wouldn't say UTV the any yes sir.
Propaganda
wouldn't say and said as a meeting and a son ye canon. Inti no we yenene because want to send for you. Okay.
That is why I accepted to talk to you.
Okay.
Now other stations be a propaganda constitute encophobia. They are not talking law, they are talking English or they are talking propaganda.
Okay. Okay.
I told you. Who said a bit near to do so.
Okay. Lawyer Mami Mbisa said, do you believe in circumstantial evidence?
Where is that circumstantial evidence? Against raw evidence.
Okay.
What you call circumstantial evidence an accused person turned prosecution witness. Accused person turned prosecution witness.
Is it the first time when did the accused person attending to prosecution witness?
This is not the first time. This is not the first time. But in this particular case, accused person who was placed in charges, who gave a caution statement and a charge statement, whose charge statement or caution statement contradicts the witness statement, credibility issues, and such person who had denied what he now put in his witness statement. Rebecca said, I was instructed to mind. Such person of this credibility level, only evidence will be relied on against the evidence of the accused person who says that did not happen and corroborated by other witnesses. A corroborated statement of the accused person or the defense against an uncorroborated statement of a prosecution witness who was earlier charged as an accused person and who has admitted all the wrongdoing in this case and who has admitted also in evidence as the beneficiary of the alleged mining, and who in cross-examination has also admitted that he is not accountable to the accused person, as a result of which the accused person was also confirmed that he did not issue any such instructions. And this is circumstantial evidence against raw evidence like this.
Okay, lawyer. 80 now the accused person.
And the first prosecution witness, having said, he doesn't know Wontumi from anywhere. Hasn't ever seen him ever. You are saying in this judgment, sir, he has facilitated both of them. The person who says, I haven't seen him ever. And he has facilitated that person. And that is circumstantial. Hey, Ghana.
Lawyer, Mami Mbisa, sa reclaiming land, netuya, nedia, coconut, son, and no if we have
reclaim land, nedia coconut was an arrangement with PW2 only. But this judgment is saying that the arrangement was to both of them. Read the judgment.
Yes. So Wontumi catch and so be kujeo. Anopano koko catch and osana ohwese ne ekono be kujeo kotie bi.
I'm not catching them. If you come and say ya, na justice no way. Niti say boy be mu possible change the person the better appears here. Media micro menos the power me mo papa ne de way o ma about HSA. It will forever be on your mind.
Nipa de one here and the man ba say. Oh, lawyer. Prosecution witness nana.
Okay.
And I want you.
Me Appiah Kubi me come clear ya.
Sentina ye bisa anyway any justice Audrey Koko Vite ana.
They know themselves.
Lawyer. Lawyer.
Yes.
Oh, ye din komo. Prosecution witness no any justice Audrey Koko Vite ana.
See obia what change the meaning and deep body because body no would you unim now here because I've read the judgment. And the judgment na me reading. Meaning some of me bia o involved bia anybody no good. And I say for good. We see now you never say ya.
Na ya show we say now some boy dia no baako tano numere forest dia enyambaye na Asian bank dia so emaye
some boy dia dey come once na me hold a discussion with you this morning some boy
okay
it could do any other case here the become based on the evidence available.
Okay, into now what is the way forward?
Minim say wa winim say na cheba Wontumi na me there before. In fact, the morning of yesterday, cheba Wontumi catch them say. When you say, he told me.
When you say yes, you didn't become 20 years. I know patch na.
When you say, court no be giving no. When you share judgment. No copy could be something now. Judgment, I'm for the registry of the court to what the Bible team because it is some being so the one team. I would say, just you know,
oh, so judgments need the kind of flooding abontin and sana. Even our friend is say Justice Audrey Ebabe deliver.
Answer say you don't discuss. You see, answer equity. And if a copy is no about what you know, who is a registered stamp credit.
And na bibisa o say na copies ni bi ababonta na registrars stamp eni so.
Sabi ya register stamp wini so yi no. Ye kire ni say am for register and say
okay. But the same as the
same as na uko apply. Na no mu apply nyina no.
Ai eno na Japan na me hu bi nti the na pie dada no ana stamp wini so na the same as that.
Omo apply nyina no no. Say omo be la kipa no mo sabe ki anopay. Aye stamp copy I courtroom registry. Ye crummy register stamp be this.
Okay.
I'm for registry.
Okay.
Who dey call ya ka so register stamp.
Okay. Okay.
The register stamp be so pay. I'm for registry. It's your registry.
Nti ni asa ye ntimi fanya asemo. Lawyer, ena mi bisa na say eni asa ye ntimi emfa enye asem sa na wususu say the register stamp eni so no the same as the beba no.
Say you ready. But you almost courtroom wa omutie beba tim no. Omo testify say it is the
same. Oh.
Anything me say minimum.
I 50 59 pages.
What the memoir say I say. Register stamp so.
Me pacho debi.
Me can say I'm for register and say if you want some the fire babonti. The system. And it is so and navigate it through the appropriate channel.
Okay.
Then teacher ma Wontumi ka o ka say me say when him say o say tell me come manage the say court lady betu
o ka kire
o ka say me he told me
so onim say court ne de ne betum
o say information is second I just say court na ya na get say betum
okay yes no
yes in the wanka
okay
o ka kire me say no say obeko o di me ka say 3 times in the morning before o go to
no kai no we yam sheo
there been say court wa me nim say court wa me nim no die any evidence e wo ho ne die me my wini susuta
Lana one year so then so no say along the line no what can say you were not happy about say the NMC continue ma or draw ye na say ye then one susu da
ye tell say me see na your personality responses na e ma condition e wo court woni ye conducive
okay
okay na I come say ni personality na nya banta ni personality ufu na say be a client no we le person no
or no say ne baby no
no ma ba ku fi ho na yenya plans of unity, the plans of fidelity. We justice.
Na abra o ka kire o se ni intel a wanya kire se court no e de ne betum no na that time o ka kire o no ugidiye
Media Banyani.
Oh.
The beard to me see. The binner say, okay. You okay, me the Banyani. There should be beard to me see.
Okay.
So, I say, and some here. Frank so and some busy Frank is Frank and anyway.
Yes. Now you see on the point of them disagree with lawyer and the Appiah Kubi say during the submission of no case, something happened. Sometimes across examine chairman Wontumi any idea. Now this what happened in court. Or submission of no case, then now made the torso no. Bet me ako page 28 and only 31 pages. Make the amount or say this permission is purposeful. Now, before I even read that for you, read it 992 no. 992B of Act 995. Neberi Police 703 no. Let me find out for you. This is it. Listen to the tone. They be because a tone now MPP they amended 2090 Parliament they amended very important. I'll say a person who acts, instigate, fully your commands, counsels, procures, solicits, or in any manner purposely aids. Purposely ne bem say unim say adie na wo question na tia koye na ode koye galamsey in this context. Purposely. It's in the submission of no case no. The judge was basically saying say count 4 near the boy Wontumi on 99.2b or purposely knowing say nipa no so koye reclamation no koye galamsey. Ti the judge and the kind. The permission is purposeful. Further, W2, which is public witness 2, testified that Wontumi, which is A1, introduced him to an excavator seller. From him, Wontumi made part payment for some excavators. Wontumi having made an initial payment. During cross-examination in court on July 15, 20, PW stated as follows. Say, how did you procure equipment onto the site? Omubusa Ogum. No Gumansa say between Chairman Wontumi and I, our verbal agreement showed that I have some of the machines myself, and because there are a lot of pits, Wontumi also promised to provide me with some bulldozers to make my work easy. And these bulldozers were acquired by Chairman Wontumi in Kumasi from a friend. So when I was going for the bulldozers to the site, my friend told me that Chairman Wontumi did not pay all the money, and therefore I had to pay the money. So I called Wontumi and he spoke to the guy that he showed me to go with the bulldozers, so that once I was working, I will pay the rest of the money in installments. So chairman is aware. Now listen to something that happened in the ruling. No son of Panamekato say, "Me the mekai submission of no case, Now mekai ruling na judge ne buyer. As why you just copy and paste on some of the issues. Now I'm sure they be kusiwa. Still trying to say, Wontumi cast on koye reclamation. No nimnitrim sa kwanaba koye galamsa no ne galamse no. Listen to what the judge said. Or say. PW2 testified that Wontumi introduced him to an excavator seller from whom he, PW2, made part payment for some excavators. And the first accused Wontumi made an initial part payment. During cross-examination, PW2 quoted as follows. How did you procure equipment onto the site? Between Chairman Wontumi and our verbal agreement should I have some of the equipment, blah, 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 bulldozer. Also, I'm a kind now. Also, I'm a catcher say, a lifting. It was kind 28 of submission of no case 31 pages. No, now be kind 58 pages. Now, or left basically a one or the better. And I can say, regarding the allegation that I introduced Mr. Ogun to an excavator seller and made an initial part payment for the excavators, I wish to clarify the following. We won't win a casayo. Or say, I did assist Mr. Okum in identifying a contact who could supply equipment. However, this assistance was rendered in the context of reclamation exercise, as land reclamation activities may require the use of heavy equipment for earth moving and land preparation. I did not procure or supply excavators for the purpose of mining operations. Any equipment I assisted Mr. Ogum in acquiring was intended for and represented to me as being for reclamation exercise. This is Wontumi speaking. Now, that's what the judge said. Thus, even in his denial and explanation, the first accused is going to admit emphatically that he had assisted Mr. Ogum in identifying a contact who could supply equipment. So, Wontumi, you see, and I make us say, problem is amendment of 99.2b. No. Now, what kind of 99.2b ni be what? I'm using one phone, so I'm a porting a cram of entity. 99.2b in this day. Or say, anyone who do what? Anyone who act, instigate, command, cancel, procure, solicit, or in any manner purposely aids, facilitate enti wontumi facilitation ne bem say wontumi introduce okum no say onko we wo no benya fidie ye ko okum so fidie a adwuma wa ye wo we no so na nya reclamation galam say so has Wontumi purposely aided or not. You see, that's okay. Say you may have issues with the judgment, but you see, when you want to unfairly criticize something, I have an issue with it. But how say eti Wontumi kwani deny ampa okum ka say Wontumi tues kan because man tues ka bia me dia me ko introduce no man nipa ne introduce nipa no na why den. Have you facilitated? What's the meaning of English? Facilitation. Tina make us say 99 to be na amended 2019. That's the problem. It's why unya bin kan be. Kodi obi achi mon ka bibia ntro menye hu brofo. On tiase a copy. Na forma charge, please help me explain this in layman terms. Ubenya ni nyina. The view no view no saying shall in the comment section. We are not subscriber. Most subscriber not click on notification. The video be to again. I apologize. Light and my a bank I'm in the studio. There's a lot of things. In fact, can of so there's a ruling about from the court. There's a lot of things I have to do for you, but light. And see Empire say baba. Make sure so subscriber. Most subscriber not click on notification. The video be to make sure so show you the mommy me here Ghana so here. Bye bye.